This is second sum. Next sum. So find the number of dots in the 10th figure of the following pattern. So we have to follow this pattern and we have to find out the what is the figures on the 10th figure. Okay. So look at the first table. First is simply dot. First is simply dot, and then 3 dot, and then 6 dot, and then 4, 7, 10, 5, 9, 12, 14, 15. So look at the first diagram is only one dot, and the second diagram is 3 dots, and then 6 dot, and then how many dots? 10 dots, and then 15 dots. So first of all, we have to draw this tabular form. Okay. So pattern, how many pattern we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five patterns we have. Correct. So pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in first pattern, how many dots we have? Only one dot. Look at the only one dot. Second pattern, how many dots we have? 3 dots. And then third pattern 6, 10, 15. Okay. So first figure having only one dot, and then second figure will changing into three dots. How can we one changing into three? What are the possible ways? So 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, and then 3, how can that 3 changed into 6? 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And then how can 6 change it into 10? 6 plus 4, 10. And then 10 plus 5, 15. So following this part, listen. So our dots is, this is our dot 1, and then 3 dot, and then 6 dot, and then 10 dot, and then 15 dots. Correct now? So here 1 plus 2, it will be 3. 3 plus 3, it will be 6. So and the next is what? 2, 3. After 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. After 4 we have 5. So 10 plus 5, 15. So what is the next figure? Simply say that 6. So 15 plus 6 is 21. After that 21 plus 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. After that 28 plus 4, 8. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus which figure we want? 10. So 55 dots. So 10th figure having them only 55 dots. Very simple one. Listen. Okay, so first number is 1. Second number is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Third is what? Third 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. After that the sixth number will be, so 2, 3, 4, 5 adding number. After 5 we have to add 6. So 15 plus 6, 21. 20, after 6 we have to add the 7 number. So 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 15, 55. So number of dots in the 10th figure is what? 55. That's it. This is a very simple one. And then second question, same method only. So now take the second tabular column. So first tabular column having 1 dot, and then second tabular column having 4 dot, and then third figure having 9 dot. After that 16 dot. After that 25 dots. What are the 10th figure? Okay. So keep in your mind. So the first figure having how many dots? Only 1 dot. Second figure having 4 dots. Third figure having 9 dots. After that 16 dots. After that 25 dots. This is a given. So look at the clearly. 1, how can we change into 4? 1 plus 3 is 4. So and then 4, how can I 4 plus 5 is 9. So 4, 5, after we have to add 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15 only. But here we have a 16. So that is not possible. அந்த way கிடையாது. So that is not possible. Because in previous sum 1, 3, 6, 10 இப்படி இருக்குது. So 1 plus 2, 3. After the 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So 2, 3, 4 is a consecutive numbers. So if you add, we will get the correct answer. But here which is not possible. Because 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9 possible. But 9 plus 6 is 15 only. But we have 16. So that is not possible. Then what is the value? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? How can we find out? So this is the another method, square method. Okay. So 1 square means 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 ones are 1. And then this is called 2 square. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2. 2 twos are 4. This is our answer. This is 3 square. So 3 threes are 9. So 9 our answer. This is 4 square. So 4 fours are 16. This is 5 square. 5 fives are 25. So after that what? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. After that 6 square, and then 7 square, and then 8 square, and then 9 square. After that 10 square. So 6 square means how many dots we have? 6 6 are 36 dots. 7 square means 7 sevens are 49 dots. 8 square means 8 eights are 64 dots. 9 square, 9 nines are 81 dots. And 10 square, 10 tens are 100 dots. So our 10th figure having the 100 dots. Yeah, very simple. Okay, look at that. The number of dots in the 10th figure equal to 100. Yeah, that's it. So then next question is, first one is double dot, and then double dot down of this one is 3 dots, and then double 3 and 4 dots. So look at the pattern. First double dot, and then after double dot, below double dot there are 3 dots, and then below 3 dot we have 4 dot. After 4 dot we have how many dots? 5 dots. That is a simple one. So draw the next pattern. First question, draw the next pattern. So double dot means double dot, triple dot, and then double dot, triple dot, 4 dots, and then double dot, 3 dots, 4 dots. After that 5 dots. So that is the next pattern. That is very simple. And prepare the table for the number of dots used for each pattern. Okay. So number of first pattern having how many dots? 2 dots. Okay. So first 2 dots. Okay, 2 dots. And then second pattern having how many dots? Second pattern, look at the question. 1 2 3 4 5 5 dots. Third pattern having 1 2 3 4 5 9 dots. Fourth pattern 14 dots. What about fifth pattern? Yeah, now look at that. So our number of dots will be 2 5 9 14. Okay, we have to find out fifth one. So 2 எப்படி 5 change ஆச்சு? 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, how can we change 5 changed into 9? 5 plus 4 is 9. After that 9 plus 5 is 14. After adding 5 we have to add the 6. So 14 plus 6 is 20. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. So our fifth diagram, fifth figure having a 20 dots. Okay. And then explain the pattern. So explain the pattern, look at the third table. Pattern 1 is how many dots? 2 dots. Pattern 2 is, so first row is 2 dots plus second row is 3 dots. And the number of third pattern is first row 2 dots having, second row 3 dots having, third row 4 dots. Same here, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. After fifth figure, what we have to do? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is a very simple one. Find the number of dots in the 25th pattern. Same procedure. Using the second, look at the second table. First pattern having 2, second pattern having 5. How can we change? 2 plus 3 is 5. Third pattern having 9. How? 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And then fourth pattern having 14. So how? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, and 16 plus 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. After that, in our own, 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. After that, 27 plus 8 is equal to 35. Like that, we have to add up to 25th pattern. So you will get 350 dots you will get. So try that one.